Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh, and have a nice day everyone, especially to my presentation learner, Technologist Muhammad ZAIDI bin TUMARI and Technologist Muhammad HANIF bin HASAN. So today I would like to present to every one of you my project, which is attendance system in classroom using RFID. First of all, I would like to introduce myself. My name is AININ NAJWA binti Muhammad ZAHID from Faculty of Electrical and Electronic Engineering Technology, University Technical Malaysia, Melaka. My supervisor name is Mr. MAZREE bin IBRAHIM, and my co-supervisor name is Mr. Muhammad FAREQ bin IBRAHIM. Okay, now let's start our presentation with poster part. So now let's begin our presentation. This presentation will be using poster as the medium to display data. Okay, my project is attendance system in classroom using RFID. Okay, let's begin the presentation with project description. Focus of this project development is to monitor student and improve the management attendance system using device recognition method of the RFID tags and its RFID reader. By the existing of this RFID reader will be located at multiple spots on university, but the main focus is in classroom. Okay, next I will begin the introduction. Okay, Global is running with a lot of improvement technology that rapidly grow. The method that used to record student attendance is getting easier and faster. Therefore, most education institute now concerned about the student traditional attendance that less effective and make a move to make improvement. The old method also high risk in data losses. Document might lost or damaged due to carelessness. Okay, next we move to the objective. Okay, the objective is provide an administrator or lecturer with a structured and efficient method for the attendance database of the student to eliminate time. Next is to eliminate the time requirement by the applied RFID technology to minimally sign in attendance. Okay, next provide accurate and immediate percentage calculation for the student attendance status. The fourth one is create a system that help the administrator print the attendance report for each class. Okay, next is reduce attendance cheating by enforcing the detection of cheating, minimize the use of paper by eliminating the need for attendance sheet. Okay, next for the problem statement, student will accept the problem registering all attendance on the attendance list. Cheating signature situation frequently occur when absent students are asked to other person to help them sign the attendance list. Lecture sometimes call out student name or sometimes ask student writing name on the paper manually. This activity is time consuming. In addition, the handout paper can be displayed not forgotten to be submitted in the system. Okay, research methodology. First is collecting information. Okay, I will be collecting information to make sure the component that I use and the software that I use is accurate. And then next is the prototype development. For the prototype development, I will start to, after buying and collecting the information and buying all the equipment and the component, I will start to try to find the accurate circuit, the accurate software to be done for the prototype development. And then for the software development, I also need to learn how to use the Arduino, how to use the Visual Studio, and how to use the Excel. And then the prototype inspection. Okay, after done all the hardware and software part, to inspect the product, as we need to use that product and present it after that. And then is testing. For the testing part, we need to make sure the product is run and in a good condition. And then after that is analyze data. And then for the analyzing data, we need to analyze data as we need to compare the quality, the goodness, the function of the product. Okay, for the hardware diagram. Okay, hardware diagram. I attach here the hardware circuit diagram. I use Arduino, RFID reader, Uno sensor shield, buzzer in the circuit. Okay, the Arduino is used as the main processor. I use it because it's easier to build and the price is affordable. And then the RFID reader, this RFID reader is mechanism that being used to detect text to be taken, data more robust, safe by the server. And then the Uno sensor shield, it's very useful product which we can use it as Arduino board and designed to taking many inputs and output units on board. Therefore, there is no need to use breadboard. As the simplest way, this Uno sensor is used to as an extender, so we don't need to use so much wires. And then the buzzer. Okay, this buzzer is used to indicate the user that the tag already taken the data, and they can move and give the turn to others. Less time consuming and it was easy to use. It was so good for other special people that need the special indicator when they use any system. Okay, next we will move to okay, for the software instrument, I use Arduino software, Visual Studio 219 and Microsoft Excel 219. Okay, Arduino software is function to run and develop system hardware needed by the program, which is use Arduino IDE to make sure the system is run smoothly. And then next is Visual Studio 219. In this project, users of Visual Studio perform is to development of interface. The VBNet programming is the core language in this development of data server. Okay, this Visual Studio use VBNet programming to run and to build the interface. And after that, the Microsoft Excel 219. In this project, I decided to export the data from the attended system to Microsoft Excel 2019. Therefore, it will be easier to make a copy of data from the user interface so the data can be processed by the lecturer or staff. Okay, for the result analysis, as you can see here, I show the prototype diagram. Okay, this is the prototype diagram. This is the RFID reader, and this is the LCD display, and then this is the box which all the circuits were in the box, and the buzzer also in the box. Okay, the attendance system in classroom using RFID will attach here, so people will know what is this product. Okay, next is the database interface. As you can see here, this is the database interface. This is the logo, and then this is the title, and I also have date and time here, and then this is the user list. So everyone who use the product will be appear here. Okay, next is this the whole system prototype. As you can see here, this is the whole system prototype, which is this is the hardware and this is the software inside the computer. Okay, and then this is the test run analysis. Next, we move to conclusion. Okay, for the conclusion, this project introduced a concept of RFID system infrastructure which able to anticipate participation of students, improving the academic achievement, performance, and effectiveness. This technology can be improved by using more advanced and expensive mechanism. Okay, it is more time-saving and fast. So this product also can be commercialized into the rest of the universe. Okay, this is the type of reference I've used to make this attendance system, real-time ticketing system by using RFID of Internet Things, and then the utilized RFID analytic in assessing student engagement. It's so helpful for me to make this product, so I can make a real good quality of product. Okay, thank you so much for hearing us. Let's move to the next part. Let's start the demonstration.
Now it's time for the demo part. Okay, I will show you guys how this system works. Okay, this system will consist of two parts, hardware and software. First, I will use two types of recording. First, the screen recording, and then the second one is camera behind it. To show you guys how this overall things work. Okay, first, this is the hardware of the system. Attendance system in classroom using RFID. Okay, this is the RFID reader, as you can see here, and then this is the LCD display. The RFID reader will be used to tag the RFID tags when the tag is over the RFID reader, and then the LCD display will display the status of the system. Okay, as you can see here, the initial state of this LCD display will show at the first row system ready, and for the second row is system scan for register. Okay, and now I will use two types of tag. The first one is the card one, and then the second one is the tag one. Okay, now it's time to show you guys the interface. Okay, this is the interface coding, where I can edit the user details and I can program what I want to have in this interface. Okay, this is the design of the system, and to start this Visual Studio part, we need to click start here, and then we can pop up this interface to full screen. Okay, to start the system, we need to connect the connection first. Okay, I choose straight for the connection, and then we need to click connect here. Okay, as you can see the interface here, we have the logo, we have the title of the system, we have time, and then we have time, and then we have the date, and we can choose to show and hide the connection taskbar, and I choose to hide, and then now the system is ready to use. Okay, I will start to put over the RFID card. Okay, in 1 second it can detect and beep twice, and then after 5 seconds it will beep again 5 times to indicate the current user and the next user that the current user can move and give the space to the next user to use. This is good. As we know, for this moment we have a pandemic COVID-19. We need to normalize social distancing.
Okay, when we click here, we can have the data in this local DC.
So that's all for today. Thank you for watching this video. Thank you for your time, and I hope to see you soon. Thank you.